Hey everyone, so I got this fan clutch here. I'm trying to take it off without any air tools or electric tools, and that's just not cutting it. So we grab this guy here and we just fit it like that. It should be able to. I think it's moving. I wonder if these are reverse threads. Guys, I think this is reverse threads. Let's try going the other way. Oh. Well, I just tightened her a little bit more, is all. God damn. Woo, look at that. I just clued in that these are definitely reverse threads. Counterclockwise, not clockwise. Frick yeah. You know what? No, that's the deserve of a fuck yeah. That is awesome. And that's a big frickin' wrench, 1 7/8. Yeah. We're gonna head inside to see if it fits a motor before we go get ahead of ourselves here. I'll grab this guy. Now, I know you guys might be thinking, Dylan, why do you have another Cummins motor sitting right here on the ground? Well, this motor is not actually mine, but I'm being given permission to use it to test stuff like this to see if it fits. So we're going to use this motor to our advantage and definitely try out the pieces to see if they're compatible with the Dodge. Otherwise, I'll have to buy new parts, and I don't want to do that. All right, so we're going to see if this threads on. Oh, look at that. It's too big of a thread. That's interesting. That may look like it's on there, but believe me, it just falls off. So it looks like the threads here are a little too big for the threads here. So that's very unfortunate. This does not fit, which means we're gonna have to buy a new one. I wasn't looking forward to doing that, but because I have to buy a new one, I bet this fan blade probably won't fit either. So I'll probably pick up these washers here. I'll probably have to end up buying a new clutch, new fan blade, and I gotta buy the adapter to put it on the front of the motor. But oh well, it was worth a try. Save us a few $100 anyways, but I guess not today, so oh well. All right, we're gonna take this drive shaft off to get shortened. So let's get to it. So right there. So I think we just gotta slip it out of this little sleeve here somehow. Well, there it is. She's out. I think I gotta just take this yoke piece out. There we go. Drive shaft is off. Damn it. Hey there. Found a quarter. This guy is actually really light, but yeah, that's her. So we're gonna get this taken into the shop and we're gonna shorten it up a bit. I believe it is 3 inches we gotta shorten it, but I'm gonna double check with the tape measure. So we'll take this into the shop and get it shortened. It's so close to being done, guys. I'm so excited. We're getting so far into this build. Hey, so we got this hose ran out here and we're gonna wash this motor off right now. I'll stick you in the little tripod. My third hand. I'll set you right there. We've got some engine degreaser because I believe that guy's gonna take a little bit of work, and some other cleaning stuff here, but first we're gonna just spray it down. All right, oh, you got a little bit of, oh no, I just made it worse.
Just made it worse.
There we go. Anyways, let's do some degreasing. This is looking pretty good, guys. Hard to see it on camera, but this is definitely cleaner than it was before. Yep, I like it. Wow, that camera is dirty. Give me a second. How's that? That's better. All right, so anyways, obviously we don't have it at a car wash. It's not on a trailer or truck, so we can't really bring it there right now. I'm gonna go over it once more, make sure it's just nice and clean, get most of that grease off. We got lots of parts coming in, so I'm gonna, probably tomorrow, I'm gonna grab some of those pieces and put them on the engine, just different brackets and stuff that we need, because this is an industrial motor. Industrial, meaning it came out of equipment. If it was out of a pickup truck, it would have been in by now, but obviously they do things a little differently. So we just have to convert it back to a pickup in order for our stuff to work anyway, pretty much. But yeah, so I'm gonna clean it off once more, and then the drive shaft is getting shortened today or tomorrow, one of the two. It's up in the city. We're taking 3 inches off of it, so hopefully that's right. Tomorrow I'll probably start putting on parts for the engine, so see you guys then. Hey, so we got some stuff here, like this little guy. You're crooked, there you go. All right, so we got this little bracket. It sits right here. So we're gonna pop that guy off and put it on. I've got a few things here just to clean it out, some brake cleaner, whatnot. Actually, I just realized something. So, I don't know if you can see it. There's that little hole right there. Right there. And I think we just gotta plug it. So, I might actually not put this on just yet. I think I actually broke these loose earlier. That's why they came off so easy just then. There we go. Oh, there's a thermostat in there. All right, how do we get that out now? All right, so that piece comes off, hose comes off, this little rubber gasket comes off, and then you just grab this and she should just slide right out. I don't believe there is another seal in there. No, that all feels metal. This we don't need anymore. It is now time for this guy. But again, we're gonna go get a plug for this or something. But we're gonna make sure this all fits in there first. That slides on there like that. This could use some brake clean. Then I believe that little lip on the edge there, you can see it goes in. Then it looks like it just goes right on. Ah, that's what I'm forgetting. This guy. I'm gonna actually spray that down. Look at that. Now that looks good. I might actually have to take it back off to get those bolts out right here. There's one there and one down there. But that's okay because I want to take it off to get a cap made or buy a cap plug for that. But that is looking a lot better than this guy. That looks much nicer. And because of this, right here, this piece, we can actually mount our alternator now. So all we're waiting for is this other bracket that goes right here around the coolant inlet, I believe. And then you can mount the alternator from here and down here. But obviously before this piece, there's nothing here to mount the alternator to. We could have fapped something up, but this is the way it was designed. The kit was designed to work with this one, not this one, so we thought we'd just buy this, make it all work nice. We already paid for it, so, and it looks a little bit nicer than that. This gives us a better angle too for our coolant because it has to go to the driver's side opposed of up. So we would have had to run a hose up and over and down or whatever. This kind of gives us that direct shot already, so looks a lot nicer. That's beautiful. And there is our killer dowel pin that we're gonna cover up. I believe it's that little guy right there. So what you do is you take this nut out, or this bolt out, you slide a piece of metal over it, it sits in there, and then you just tighten the bolt back up. So I believe we gotta tackle this guy to get the air compressor out. Whew. There she be. See if we can mark this just in case. It needs to go on a certain way. Now I gotta take this stuff apart. Welcome guys, I hope you're having a great day. I know I am. It's beautiful out. We're gonna move this motor inside that shop. I got the engine crane pulled over here. It's just sitting in the bay there. But in order to lift that into there, we're gonna use the old John Deere. So I'm gonna get this bucket unloaded, get the chain wrapped up, and get it ready to go. Miss that window? Yeah, you got a little bit of space, yeah. She's coming out. Thanks for watching this episode, guys. I'm so happy we got that engine moved inside the shop. We can finally work on it out of the cold. And I'm super happy that we're getting a lot done on here. We got the air compressor off today. Next episode, I think we're going to work on the alternator, hopefully get some parts in. But anyways, until then, guys, hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked it. You know, it helped us out a lot. And I'll see you in the next one.